Well, hello friends, let's talk about Globalstar, ticker on that's going to be GSAT. And if you know me, you know this is one of my favorite companies, one of my favorite stocks. This is one of my favorite sleeping giant stocks. Now, a lot of you are wondering and a lot of you are saying, what is the holdup on this stock? When are things going to go back up here? When is this going to start to move again? When are we going to see some life out of Globalstar again? I'm going to be honest, as long as Globalstar stays above $1, I'm happy. But let's look back in January when we started to see this stock actually do something. So on January 12th is when we had a real big boom with Globalstar hitting an 89-cent range with 156 million with volume right there. Then the next big one was on January 20th with 169 million in volume. Then we hit the big one, 240 bidding price with a volume of 310 million that day, February 10th. That is the record right now with volume. But February 17th brought a 257, a higher bidding price on Globalstar, but the volume was only 89 million. I thought that was pretty interesting actually. And since then, the bidding price and the volume has just been falling apart with Globalstar. People are losing patience, people are selling out, and a lot of these article analyst things you're seeing right now, they're not helping the situation. They're obviously betting against Globalstar. They have been the whole time. But I did just come across an article where I found an analyst actually saying some pretty positive things about Globalstar, and that's actually pretty rare right now because most of these articles are just ripping Globalstar apart. They're not really digging into what the company is. They're not looking at the long-term growth of what Globalstar could be. So let's read a little bit here about what is going on. The spike in February followed the announcement. Remember that spike in February? Announcement that the telecommunications giant Qualcomm would be incorporating Globalstar's band N53 in its primary 5G modem. The new Snapdragon X65, with the world hurtling towards 5G consecutively, this was a highly promising development. With this collaboration, more devices will be able to connect to GSAT's 5G network. But friends, what you have to remember with all of these deals that Globalstar has been making just this year alone, it's going to take pretty much the whole year to see some good quarterlies come out from that. In this Qualcomm deal, when we actually finally start to see some greener grass with this on the other side, this is going to be huge. In an effort to further capitalize on the monetization of its 5G network, GSAT and XCOM Labs entered a strategic partnership with the aim to drastically improve Globalstar's 5G network's capacity. Despite these developments setting the stage for the propulsion of their businesses, GSAT has seen a pullback that spanned February and March. Investors are hopeful that April uptrends will be sustained and usher in hitherto unseen opportunities for Globalstar. So like we've said a lot before, 5G is still pretty new. It has not taken off completely yet. It's still really new when it comes to business, still really new when it comes to stocks, still really new when it comes to just people understanding 5G. So friends, I'm still very bullish on Globalstar. If you're looking for a $5 mark, I would definitely say we could see that here in 2021. But you're definitely going to be waiting probably towards the end of this year because we're going to need quarterlies to come out. And I'm expecting the next quarterly to be not great, but I'm waiting for the quarterly at the end of this year to come out and see what has happened with all these deals that Globalstar has been taking on this year. Obviously, I do not expect them to be out of debt unless they start doing stock offerings here, which they have not talked about. But if the stock were to hit even a $3 to $4 mark this year, we would probably start seeing a stock offering come up here. But I, like myself, like a lot of you, I know that a lot of us are very bullish on this stock, and I think that's kind of how you have to handle Globalstar, because this stock could easily go back down to a 50-cent range and then shoot back up to $1. This stock still has a lot of volume, it still has a lot of investors, it still has a lot of hype around it. And it's a very popular stock, and I really don't see Globalstar going away anywhere. I don't see it going back into the safe for a few years here. I think it's kind of here to stay, and we're going to play around this dollar range for a while. until we see some other big exciting news come out to where they can even get back to $1.50 to a $2 zone. So right now we're waiting on news with Globalstar. We're waiting on quarterlies. We're waiting on something big to come out here. So friends, that is my small little update with Globalstar, what's going on. I wish you all the best out there with the stock market. This thing is just crazy. I'm telling you what, this stock market in 2021 is really nuts. It's very different. And if you're an investor in Dogecoin, congratulations, you have had an amazing day. And it seems like it just keeps getting better here, honestly, with what the numbers are showing here. Dogecoin might even break 10 cents here very soon. Pretty interesting, especially if Elon keeps talking about it. Love it. But guys, remember, be positive, be you. Take time to invest in your future, very important. And guys, let me know what companies you're buying. Let me know what other companies you're bullish on, what you like, what are some hot trends out there in companies, what are some hype stocks right now that you see big gains coming in, but not long-lasting gains. Those are always fun stocks. Those are always fun stocks to make money, fast money on. But friends, I will talk to you very soon. I wish you all the best. God bless you guys. Bye.